Hi guys, it's me, Karen from Karen's Intuitive Jewelry, coming to you with my newest gemstone unboxing, where I get all of my gemstones from Soul Star Crystals on Facebook, and I'll list their link in the description below. So let's just, oh my goodness. There's a lot. There is a lot. And we're just gonna go one by one. Some I got pieces I already have because they were on clearance, but some I don't have. Like all of these. Okay, the first one we have is hematite. Ooh, look at that. Pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Aren't they gorgeous? And they're not very heavy. I was expecting them to be pretty heavy, being that hematite's a pretty solid stone, but they're not really. That may be a little bit heavier than most, but not bad. Okay, and so hematite, the physical health benefits to hematite is it cleanses and improves blood flow and regenerates blood cells. It helps improve our relationships, increases our intuition, roots us to the earth, and blocks negative energy. That's hematite. Beautiful. They'll be really pretty, soldered or wrapped. Okay. And I'm starting, just so you guys know, I'm starting to sell some of my stash that I get because I just have a lot. And so I can do like mixed lots, they call them, with several different stones. But you'll have to pretty much be on Facebook to communicate and get an invoice and all that good stuff. Okay, this next stone I don't have any of, and I'm happy that I think I got 2 lots of these. I think one lot was the rectangles and squares, and this is serpentine, and it's a real pretty multicolored green stone and some pretty big pieces. That'll make a great pendant, and then some medium size. And then I got some teardrops because I love wire wrapping teardrops. And I mostly do the soldering in the squares and rectangles. Okay, so serpentine. Pretty, pretty. Let's see what it says. Oh, I don't have serpentine. Okay, I don't have that. I thought I had that in my glossary already. Serpentine, because I know I have some beads. Serpentine, but I do not have it in my glossary. Sorry about that, guys. Maybe I'll try to remember to pull that out at a later date. That's if you guys enjoy hearing about the physical properties. And as you can tell, some of them I added non-physical, but most of the time it's physical. Okay, next one is I didn't have any howlite. And howlite is usually what is used, or magnesite, is used for coloring, dyeing rather, different stones to mimic turquoise, coral, and some other types of stones. They can, like if you see the crosses that come in yellow, and or the skulls at Halloween are real popular, it's usually either howlite or magnesite. It's rare for me to even get my hands on real turquoise because it's so expensive, and it's an unstable stone. It's very prone to breakage. So these are cool. Howlite balances the calcium levels, aids the teeth, bones, and soft tissue. It's helpful in cases of osteoporosis. So if you suffer with bone density, osteoporosis, or know anybody, this would be a great stone to support that, or teeth and bone problems. Okay, this is a banded onyx. And let's see, onyx. They look similar to agate, but ooh, aren't they pretty? Wow. Ooh. Look at those cool shapes. Very cool, very cool. And around, and you can see it's see-through, transparent. This one too is pretty transparent. Oh, these are really, really pretty. Really pretty. So onyx strengthens the heart, the kidneys, hair, eyes, and nails, helps with sleeping disorders, eliminates stress, neuropathy, and neurological disorders. It's beneficial for eye ailments, including glaucoma. And I'm working right now on putting a health package together for a family member, and they suffer with a sleep disorder, actually narcolepsy. So I'm glad I saw that, and I didn't know that to begin with. So I'll be picking one of these out for her. Actually, let's do that now. I think this would be a cool one. Wow. Okay, I'm going to put that aside. All right, so that's banded onyx. Pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And that's a lot, isn't it? Okay, and this next batch. Is the opening here. Wow, they really wrapped this up good. Well, that's good. You guys can see. pretty. Okay. These I had previously gotten, but because they were having a clearance lot, Kunzite. It's real pricey, but look how pretty they are. They're really beautiful pink. So I went ahead and got some others. In fact, I haven't even made anything with the ones I have yet because they're pricey. I think I'm going to wrap one in gold, and I probably wouldn't do anything soldering them. But Kunzite is beneficial in treating hormone-linked migraines. It supports the reproductive system in women, aids puberty in young girls, focuses on PMS symptoms, menstrual problems, skin rashes, and allergies to chemicals. It reduces after effects from anesthesia. It strengthens the circulatory system, the heart muscles, treats neuralgia, calms epilepsy, soothes joint pain, treats depression, and other psychiatric disorders. So it's quite comprehensive. Aren't they lovely? They're just I don't even know how to describe it. I feel peaceful and calm holding these. Anyway, Kunzite. So yeah, if you guys ever see anything you'd like or multiple stones, it would hardly be worth it just to buy 1 or 2 stones, mainly because of the shipping. Would average about $5. But like I said, I could always do a lot. And maybe, I don't know how that would work. Maybe you guys, if anybody's interested, give me your budget and we'll put some things together. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at this. This is lapis lazuli. That's the fingernail polish I was wearing before, but tonight I'm wearing amethyst. And I don't know if the lighting is very good, but here is lapis lazuli. Gorgeous! Look how thick that one is. Wow, compared to that. Look at the difference. That's different. But basically this one's really speaking to me. All teardrops. And let's see, lapis lazuli supports the larynx, throat, and vocal cords, stimulates and regulates the thyroid and endocrine glands, helps lift depression, cleanses and purifies the body, and opens clogged chakras. I love lapis lazuli. Isn't that beautiful? So there's that. I have some stones, but I think they're smaller and little squares and rectangles. So this is the first time I really saw them offer nice size teardrops and opals. So they had some nice stuff. Let's see, what's this? This, y'all know, I got some more of this black tourmaline druzy because I really dig it. And yeah, some cool pieces, little pieces could probably come up with. And the reason they call it a druzy is because it's really rough on top and smooth on the back. So cool. I like this little small pieces, and I already have somebody who was looking for some. She wants to actually try to carve or put together like the shape of a crow, but I don't know how she's going to do that. But so yeah, I already had some of those in my arsenal, but because I enjoyed working with those. Tourmaline, tourmaline, tourmaline. Oops. Helps skin disorders, removes toxins from the body, supports wound healing, improves blood circulation, promotes relaxation, and helps relieve stress. Cool, cool, cool. Next, we've got a man-made product, stone. This is called Goldstone, but aren't they cool? Wow. Super flashy. These are used a lot during the fall months. People like to make wire wrap pumpkin designs and usually attach a little leaf and do some curly curls. I did some this last year. Was the first time I ever tried to make those. So I thought those were pretty. I didn't have any in teardrops. They're pretty, even though they're man-made. They still have some healing properties. Let me get up there. Stone of ambition. It builds energy, courage, and a positive attitude. Increases drive and confidence. Promotes vitality. Helps reduce stomach tension. Supports circulation. And benefits arthritic conditions. Look at those. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Next we have abalone. Abalone shell. Aren't they gorgeous? And I like these because they were rectangles and squares. You guys know me, I really enjoy playing with unusual shapes. There's a cool unusual shape that'd be easy to make. And look at that cute little one. Flash isn't all that great, but wouldn't they make cool rings? Look at that. How pretty. Okay, strengthens the bones and teeth. Offers soothing, calming, peaceful vibrations while relieving anxiety, stress, and insomnia. Promotes compassion and love. Well, I have to pull one of these out as well for my family member because of the calming, peaceful vibrations and relieves anxiety, stress, and insomnia. So, yeah. This one. Up next is another new stone to me. It's called Green Swiss Opal. Very cool. They're kind of large pieces. And the white streaks in it, I don't know if I'll be able to catch this on camera. They flash. You can kind of see it, I think. So that's really pretty. Let's see if we can get all of them to do that. Oh yeah. I don't know if it's catching it on here, but you sure can see it on my end. Very pretty. So those will make some large pendants and will be cool soldered. This is my favorite. So its benefits is that it combats high fevers, infections, helps relieve stress, combats fear, and can help build strong relationships. Pretty. And those are really big, you can see. Next up, next batch, is some that I do already have, but because I absolutely love them, I bought more. This is the Tiger Eye. Ooh, boy, look at that. That's a nice batch. That's a lot of stones right there and very cool shapes. Ooh, dig that. Dig that. Look at that one. So pretty. So even though I have some of these stones, when I see a good deal, I will get them. And they were having some clearance sales, so you gotta jump on that when you can. So that's Tiger's Eye, which we had talked about before. I think I had that in my last unboxing, but I'll review that again. It treats eyes, throat, and reproductive organs, releases toxins, alleviates pain, and is helpful in repairing broken bones and strengthening the alignment of the spinal column. This stone is particularly useful for healing psychosomatic illnesses and dispelling fear and anxiety. This one too I already have, and think I did showed this off in the last unboxing. It's Kambaba Jasper, but again, look how many stones there were. It was a clearance, so you kind of almost can't really afford not to. Aren't those cool? They just, I mean, they're from Africa, and it just has that African vibe. But this is a definite stone for my family member after I researched it all. Boosts the immune system, helps with assimilation of vitamins and minerals, supports the digestive system, improves conditions of the skin, hair, and nails. Helpful when having dental work, especially focusing on problems with your wisdom teeth. Cleanses the body of toxins, treats conditions at a cellular level, and has been used to support treatment of cancer, HIV, and other serious diseases. So it's a wonderful, wonderful stone. Very versatile. This is a new stone for me. I have beads, but I didn't have any cabochons. This is a wonderful unakite. Look at that. It's kind of different shades of green and browns and tans with some oranges. So just an unusual color combination. Very, very pretty. And will look really nice either in wire wrapping or soft soldering. Okay, supportive in convalescence and recovery from any major illness. Treats the reproductive system, stimulates weight gain where required, aids healthy pregnancy and the growth of skin, tissue, and hair. Beautiful unakite. And our last three batches, again, I haven't made anything with this is Skullsite. Look how much, I mean, I could not buy it. Holy moly. Aren't they pretty? I mean, they have these gorgeous feathering effects in them. It's just so pretty. And look at these cool shapes. I haven't a clue what I'm going to do with them, but I'm guessing I probably got 2 batches of these. 1 square and rectangles and 1 odd shapes. Because I'm a sucker for odd shapes. Although, maybe I didn't. Maybe they were all just 1 batch. Let's see if I can find it. No, that was just 1 lot. Look at all those. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So skull site. Helps relieve gastrointestinal disorders, circulatory issues, stimulates the heart, is beneficial for insomnia, alleviates anxiety, depression, and feelings of loneliness. So I think I need to include one of these as well with what we're going to do. My oldest brother and I are working together on this project for this family member of ours. And he's going to get like a pretty medicine bag from the Cherokee Nation. And we're going to put together several stones to support our loved one in their treatment. Again, the disclaimer is this is not to replace any medical advice. It's just to support any treatment plan. Okay, this is cool. I don't typically go for a lot of dyed pieces, but this is just an agate druzy, a dyed agate druzy. They're super thick. Look at that. And most of them are really thick. Wow. But I thought they were cool, and it was on clearance, so why not? I can maybe just do a glue-on bail on some of these would be cool. Since they're already so heavy, I wouldn't dare try to wire wrap them. But they're pretty cool. And of course, I think, let's see, I have agate druzy up here somewhere. Must be under D for druzy. Because there's agate druzys, there's quartz druzy. Lots of things can come in a druzy. Druzy just means crystallized. So agate druzy boosts the immune system, enhances blood flow, and strengthens blood vessels, pushes toxins out of the body, aids with digestive issues, and helps fight recurring pain and discomfort. Wow, look at those. Aren't those cool? Wow. Don't know if you can see the druzy in it. It's so cool, mesmerizing. Okay, we'll just put them aside. And then this last one is Indian sunstone, which also can be known as peach amazonite, I've heard. And I don't know if you can see, they call that sheen, they say it's gemmy. You can see the little flashes in it. I just dropped one on the carpet. But can you see the flash in these? So these are pretty. They're a little peach tan color. And of course, again, there's in square. So those will be cool to do some soldering on. And sunstone. Increases metabolism, helps with stomach disorders, including ulcers and other digestive issues, speeds up healing of sprains, strains, and any pain of the spine. And there you have it, my friends. My most recent delivery of my beauties. Okay, my friends, until next time. Bye.